Hey guys, and welcome back. This video will be a tutorial, and by the way, I just want to say right now that I have to talk quietly because it's night and people are going to sleep, so and my family's going to sleep, so I just be kind of quiet. Um, it'll be good. It'll kind of be like an ASMR video. It'll be good to hear my soothing voice. Oh, I'm just kidding, it's not soothing. Well, if you think it's soothing, then good for you. But if you don't, well, you just enjoy the tutorial. Just enjoy the tutorial anyway. Now, this video will be kind of like this would kind of be like a sequel to my other tutorial that I did on this channel. It was and in that tutorial, I showed you how to use Bandicam. By the way, I don't use Bandicam anymore. I use XSplit Broadcaster. I find it a little better than Bandicam, but anyway. So anyway, in this video, I'll show you how to use OBS Studio. And the best way to use it. So for that, you just want to. So if you don't know how to download it, you just I'll leave a link in the description. But you just kind of open up your browser, and then type it in, and then you click OBS Studio, and then you just download it. If you have a Windows, you download here. If you have a Mac, you download for Mac. If you have Linux, you download that. Anyway, but after you're done downloading and installing, you'll open it up, you'll boot it up, and then it'll look something like, I'm going to delete this actually, and then it should look just like this. Oh, by the way, upon booting it up, you'll be prompted with a message box saying optimized for recording, streaming a secondary, or optimized for streaming, I will not be recording, or, and then that's all. So pick which one you'll do. If you're going to be recording more, you'll definitely want to pick the recording one. And if you want to, if you want to do streaming, just pick the streaming one. And so that should help you. But immediately upon booting up, you'll be here. Now, what you want to do is you want to come down here to this plus button and click Add. And basically what this is, you're adding a scene. So this will be the scene that you'll be broadcasting from. So you name the scene. We'll just name it test scene, and then we'll click OK. Now I've been kind of fiddling with this a little bit, and you will not see, and you won't see these two here. But most likely just see this one. And so make sure that's selected, and then you come over here to where it says sources, and then you click the plus button. Now, I know this may look overwhelming, but we have all these options here. Now I could go through and explain what all these are, but you most likely will not be using all of these. Now, what we're going to focus on in this video is display capture, game capture, video capture device, and window capture. Now, we're going to start with display capture. And when you do this, it'll say create new display capture, and this will be your monitor. So you say click make source visible. Make sure you have this selected, or else you won't be able to see it on here. And click OK. Now you immediately see kind of like your screen projected on OBS. Capture method. Make sure that's set to automatic. Display 1. So you'll see your monitor listed. I have a 1920 by 1080 monitor. It'll say primary monitor. Now, if you have two monitors, I only have one monitor, but if you have two, you can select between your main one or your second one, whichever one you want to do, and then you can capture mouse cursor or not. It depends on what you want to do, but that's an option. Or you can just click defaults. I'm gonna click default because that always helps if you don't want to go finagle everything instead of manually. But anyway, so that's display capture. So that's capturing your whole monitor, right? Next one is game capture. Now this is solely for capturing the game. It won't let you do anything else. It won't really capture anything else except for your game. Now for this we have some options. Now, for the mode, we could capture any full screen application, which will just capture any full screen game you use. So if you don't have an NVIDIA card and you can't use GeForce Experience, you can use this. We can capture a full screen application, or you can capture a specific window. And basically, what this does is, when you load up a game, you could load up Minecraft, and I'll show you with Minecraft because this is a good example. So just load this up, and then basically what it'll do is, beside window, you'll see the game listed. Well, maybe. Oh, I guess not. Well, hold on one second. I gotta do this again. Oh, here it is. Yeah. So let's say Jabal.exe. Let's say Minecraft, and then this is the game that you're wanting to capture. And then, as you can see, it pulls up here, and then you can crop it by dragging it like this, and then so it's full screen. So, and of course you can full screen that. Oh yikes! Oh, and then we could do, if you want to do a full screen game. So if you want to capture the full screen of Minecraft, you right click the source, you click transform, and you click stretch to screen. Now when you stretch the screen, it will immediately become really small. But this way you can kind of see the entire image kind of clearly in OBS. Now it's kind of nice. Now if you right click game capture and click properties, this is where you can edit everything in your capture. So of course you're capturing a specific window. You're capturing Minecraft or your game. The window is the game that you're capturing. Window match priority, match title. Otherwise, find window of same execute. Yeah. So just keep that. Do not change that because I don't know what it's about, and yeah, it works for me. You can capture cursor or not. It depends what you want to do. Yeah. So okay. So it's basically that. Now you have some options here when it comes to game capture. You can right click that, click transform, and then you can fit to screen. If you don't like the huge popping out image of stretch to screen, you can fit to screen. And it'll kind of condense a little bit, and it'll have the black borders at the top and bottom, which is kind of nice. Or you can do transform, stretch the screen, and that'll kind of make it kind of big. But that way the whole image just is on the screen. So yeah, that's kind of nice. Okay, so all right, so the next source is video capture device. Basically, what video capture device is this is your camera. This is your webcam. So I'm not going to do that actually because I don't want to enable my webcam. I'm about to go to bed actually, and I don't have a shirt on. I'd probably look bad. Video capture device, it'll show your camera. You can finagle that. You can finagle the quality of your camera to your liking, and just do that. Window capture. This one's important. So click window capture. Create new window capture. Okay. Now basically, this is a lot like game capture, except this is for any, but this is for anything. Now you can load up your browser. Take Firefox for example. I'm more of a Firefox user myself. Now when you're on Firefox and you just want to capture the web page, you just have that open. And then well, hold on a second. There we go. And then that should pop up. On OBS. Click transform, stretch the screen, and then that stretches the screen. So, yep. So there's my browser. There's my browser projected on OBS. So that's kind of nice, to have that. And then of course you could right click that. You can transform. You can do fit to screen. If you don't like the huge popping out image of stretch the screen, you can fit to screen. You do transform. Just if you like stretch the screen, you could do that. anyway, so yeah, properties. You can, of course, you can capture cursor. You can do client area. If you, like, I'm just going to do default. So here's the window you're capturing. So you can choose which one you want to capture. For me, it's that because that's the one I have open. Yes, yeah, so that's window capture. Pretty handy. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so that's all for this video. I'm gonna make another video about how to record the video with make another video about how to record video with OBS. Yeah, but that's all for now. Yeah, so bye everybody. Thank you. Bye.